If you have back pain while you're getting up from a chair or sitting back down, try this. Practice by finding a chair where you can put your feet flat on the ground, even pressure through both feet and both legs. Now you have a muscle inside of your body called the transversus abdominis. It starts in your deep lower back and it wraps around like a corset to the front of the body, gathering underneath your belly button. This is your internal back brace. If you can turn it on, you can use it to help give your back support when you need it. So to do that, bring your fingertips to your hips and push in with the fingers and cough. That muscle that just pushed your fingers out of the way is your transverse abdominis as it feeds into the pelvic floor via the pelvis. Focusing on feeling that first. Start by bringing your feet back ever so slightly. Hinge forward from the hips, but keep your TA engaged. Once your body weight's over your legs, use your leg muscles and your TA to stand up. Keep it as you're up. Rather than letting it go, you can compromise the back at that point. Keep it through the transition, engage it. Chest comes forward, knees go back to sit down, but you're using your TA along the way. Keep it, hinge forward, keep engaging it to come up, engage it to go down. There should be no discomfort in your knees, your hips, your back. If you have it, adjust something or work to build up to this.